conductors, disoluting military tactics that campaign for attention signs with united fists and raised arms. A piano man noting hope into my home's name. His offerings collected spirits of Tembisa, raised in Ekaleni section. He mixed harmonies that moved along Gubeni routes, arranging major scales down rocky streets of Mfihlweni, traveling the Molelekwa clan stationed in Sidibeng, where his melody rests, producing hymns that sharpen Biko's dreams of ebony and ivory strips, made in Difateng's woods, planted in Mkatini, where the mountain shades Muriding, where the mountain shades Muriding. Moses Molelekwa. Moses Molelekwa. Say it with me, guys. Moses Molelekwa. Moses Molelekwa. Moses Molelekwa. Moses Molelekwa. Acoustics, Watate Muhulu's genes and spirits. A piano name, noting hope into my home's name. A piano man transcribes my home story. A piano man transcribes my home story. A piano man transcribes my home story. Moses Molelekwa. Moses Molelekwa. Moses